The CERAKOTE ceramic coating for your headlight restoration here. This is a really great kit here. Basically, you could see this headlight, it was all yellowed before, and now it's just very crystal clear. I'm getting better light at night, and I'm very, very happy with it. This is on a Sprinter van, so you need all the light you could get in these things, and they have some really great lights, but I had some oxidization on here, and this kit did exactly what I needed it to do. What I liked about this one is no tools are required. You don't need a drill or anything like that. It's a simple 3-step process. It shows you right on here. Basically, this is all the ingredients it gives you here. It gives you the oxidation remover wipes, the surface prep pads, the prep disc, the ceramic clear coating wipes, and the gloves. And it just does a really great job. Simple 3-step process. Remove the oxidation, prepare the surface, and then you just see you put the stuff on here. It just does a really great job. Very happy with it. This made my headlights look like new again. This is a Mercedes, so the headlights on here are not cheap, so I'm glad I was able to get the oxidization off and not have to replace the headlights. This kit really came through. Highly recommend picking one of these up if you have oxidized headlights. This is going to basically bring them back to life, and you're going to get a lot more light out of them. Very pleased with it. Highly recommend this.